Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to continue our identity section, identity project, but the problem is the next subject is going to be user edit page, but I have a kind of different structure for our project. So I think about it a little bit, and in the future I'm going to add an API project to this project. And so we're going to need an extra panel, which is going to be user panel. So we already have an admin panel, but I want to add another user panel, and I would like to keep our user edit section in that panel. So in this lesson, we're going to create another panel, user panel, quickly, and we're going to continue identity library again in that panel. Okay, let's jump into the coding now and create our new area. Let's create, we already have admin, add users, add controllers, add models, add views, and add shared new item, import, add new item, start, add new item, layout, yep, oops, yeah, this is the one. Okay, let's add our tag helpers to our import page, and yeah, this is ready now. Save all, close all tabs, minimize everything. Now we need to configure our routings in our program CS file. Let's copy this section and name it users, and users. Let's get back to the controller now. Let's create a default dashboard controller. Dashboard controller, and by the way, um, let me have a look quickly, just a second. Yeah, I just remember I want to show something before forget it. Let's get back to the controller, authentication controller. I deleted from here. I was looking our project before the lesson. You if you remember, we deleted our email method sent interface, and I deleted from here. But I forgot to delete it. This section. Do not forget to delete from here. If you didn't, you're going to get an error message. Just be careful. If you already did, no problem, but just be careful. Be sure you already removed from this three section 1, 2, and 3. Alright, let's go back again. Let's add area now. Um, area. Oh, sorry. User. Area is edit. Default page is edit. Let's add a view. Browser view. Yes, this is the user view shared. Yeah. If it's not selected, use this browser and select your layout coming from user. I'm waiting. after this page is created, we're going to go back to the layout page of user and we're going to modify it quickly. Alright, let's leave it like that. Now I'm going to copy my layout from my admin page, Control A, C, close it, and we share it layout, Control A and V. Alright, I'm gonna just keep the dashboard and user settings. So I'm gonna delete all of them. KD, let's change it. User, area is going to be user, dashboard index, and let's change this page link ASP area user ASP controller. Let's give a name for our controller. What was going to be authentication again? Yeah, authentication user, authentication user, and ASP action is going to be user edit. Okay, Control S. Everything is done in this page. Now have a quick look to our index of user area. What's the problem? View shared layout could be located from the research area user. View shared. Is there any problem? Because we already created our admin user controllers, views, models, layout. Did we something wrong in program CS? User controller dashboard. Yeah, this is the admin. Area user dashboard. Go to view. Why it's not working now? Let's try again. The layer view areas user view shared layout. User view shared layout CSHTML. Interesting. It's really interesting. Controllers, views, and models. Yep. Shared. Okay, everything seems is normal. User, and user. Did we miss something? I'm just thinking about it. Controllers, models, and view. Really interesting. Let's have a look layout again. Should we add something to this page? No. Have a look this view. This is view start layout. No, it's the same. No problem with the view starts. It's weird. It is really weird. Areas user view shared layout CSHTML. Title index dashboard controller. Area user. Really weird. Controller dashboard. Action index. Why do we have any problem here? Really interesting. Let's start with the debug mode. Really interesting. Let's type here admin. It's admin panel. Yeah. What about user? Hmm. Is there any really interesting, guys? Dashboard controller. Area admin. Area user. I guess I'm missing something, but I'm really. It's interesting name. Web control area, user controller dashboard, index. Why it's not working? Control X, save, Control V. It's really interesting. User, admin, user. Really interesting. I'm gonna delete that dashboard again. I'm gonna create one more time. Where is the user? Index, add view, browser view. I'm gonna reselect the shared file. How many minutes have been done? 12 minutes. Alright. Let's click again. The browser. Thank you, Visual Studio. Really thank you. There is nothing we changed. Just recreate the file and now it's working. Really thank you. Never mind. Alright, everything is correct what we done. Let's open again. Yeah. Dashboard and user setting. That's I'm going to use those two section, and user setting is not going to work because we didn't create the controller yet. Let's leave this lesson here. It's in this case it's unnecessary long because of the Visual Studio didn't recognize our index file and we have to recreate it. Perfect, we finalize it anyway. Let's finish this lesson here now, and we're going to continue with the user edit on the next lesson. Take care of yourself, guys. Bye bye.